Good morning, friends. Today we are going to talk about a few MCQs, mainly focuses on the input unit. So, our first question is, which unit is responsible for converting the data received from the user into a computer understandable format? कौन सी यूनिट ऐसी है जो कि डाटा रिसीव करके उसको कंप्यूटर की अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? योर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज मेमोरी यूनिट, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिकल यूनिट, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज इनपुट यूनिट और फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज आउटपुट यूनिट. Come on guys, please tell me the answer. Okay, so the correct answer is the input unit. The input unit converts the data which the user enters into a language which the computer understands. That is, it converts the data into binary format. The output unit is responsible for giving the result in user understandable format. Okay. And the storage unit is responsible for storing the data after immediate results of processing. Whereas the ALU, also called the arithmetic logic unit, is responsible for various arithmetic and bitwise operations. So guys, जो चार ऑप्शन थे चारों के अलग अलग फीचर्स हैं and that we have covered in the explanation. Okay, so our next question is the only language which the computer understands. So कौन सी language है जिसे computer understand करता है? And your options is number one is assembly language, number two is binary language, number three is basic, and number four is C language. Okay, so the correct answer is the binary language. Okay, and here is the explanation. The computer understands only binary language, which is written in the form of 0 and 1, also called the bits. A computer can understand assembly language, but an assembler is required which converts the assembly language to binary language. Similarly, for understanding a high-level languages, compilers and interpreters are required. Okay, so our next question is, which is the smallest unit of data in the computer? So सबसे छोटी इकाई डाटा की कंप्यूटर में कौन सी है? And your options are bytes, nibble, bit, and KB. KB is kilobyte. Come on. Okay, so correct answer is bit. Okay. This is the explanation. A bit is defined as the smallest unit of data in a computer system. It is used as a short form of binary digit. A bit can have only two values, that is 0 or 1. A nibble comprises of 4 bits. A byte is a collection of 8 bits, and kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Okay, so our next question is, one nibble is equivalent to how many bytes? एक nibble कितने bits के बराबर होता है? Come on. Options are A2, B4, C8 and D1. Come on guys. So the correct answer is 4. So एक nibble आपका 4 bits के बराबर होता है. Okay. So a nibble is defined as a unit of data which comprises of 4 binary digits or half of 8-bit byte. Therefore, a nibble is equal to 4 bits. A bit is the smallest unit of data in a computer. A byte is equal to 8 bits and half of a byte is equal to 4 bits, that is equal to a nibble. Next question is, which of the following describes the correct format of an input instruction? So नीचे दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से कौन सही फॉर्मेट दिखाता है अपनी इनपुट इंस्ट्रक्शंस के लिए? So your first option is in 82, second option is input 82, C option is INP 82, and D option is 82 INP. So come on, इसमें से सबसे सही फॉर्मेट कौन सा है जो कि इनपुट इंस्ट्रक्शंस को दिया जाता है? So correct option is A. IN82. This is the explanation. The input-output instructions are used to transfer information between external peripherals and the CPU. The correct format of an input instruction is IN 8-bit port address. Here IN82 is the correct option, whereas 82 is the destination port address and all the other options are invalid. Okay. Our next question is the input machine which originated in the United States around 1880s is a इसमें से कौन सी इनपुट मशीन है, कौन सी इनपुट डिवाइस है जो कि 1880s के अराउंड यूएस में ओरिजिनेट हुई थी? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं माउस, जॉयस्टिक, कीबोर्ड एंड बारकोड रीडर. कम ऑन. Okay guys, so correct option is keyboard. So a keyboard is an input device which originated in the 1880s and is used to give instructions to the computer in the form of letters and numbers. A mouse is used for the selection of various objects on the screen, and joystick is mainly used for gaming purpose, and barcode readers are used for reading the barcodes. Okay, so next question number 7. What does the computer stand for? कंप्यूटर की full form basically क्या है? आपके options हैं. Number A is commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. B is commonly occupied machines used in technical and educational research. C is commonly operated machines used in technical and environmental research. And D is commonly oriented machines used in technical and educational research. देखो guys, इसे बड़ा ध्यान से देखना है क्योंकि इसमें सब के सब ऑप्शंस देखने में एक जैसे हैं. केवल और केवल आपका डिफरेंस है ऑपरेटेड, ऑक्यूपाइड, ऑपरेटेड एंड ये आपका इन्वायरमेंटल है, बाकी सब में एजुकेशनल है एंड ओरिएंटेड. ओके, so for this the correct answer will be option A. Commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. So the computer is an abbreviation for the term commonly operated machines used in technical and educational research. The computer word computer also relates to the word compute, which means to calculate. So initially it was thought that a computer is a device which is used to perform calculations. Okay. So our next question is 1 योटाबाइट इज इक्वल टू. सो एक योटाबाइट कितने किस इकाई के बराबर होता है? आपके ऑप्शंस इज 1024 टेराबाइट, 1024 ईटाबाइट, 1024 zettabyte and 1024 petabyte. Come on. So your correct answer is option C, 1024 zettabytes. So 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 zettabyte, which stands for zettabyte. Further, 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 EB, exabyte, and 1 EB is equal to 1024 petabytes. Okay. Our next question is, which of the following is not a function of the input unit? इनमें से कौन सी इनपुट यूनिट का फंक्शन नहीं है? Your options are: number A is it reads instructions and data from the outside world. B is it converts the data into computer acceptable format. Option C is it makes the data into user understandable format. And option D is it supplies the data and instructions to the computer for further processing. Come on. Which of the following is not a function of input unit? Basically आपको input unit का function नहीं है, ये बताना input unit का function नहीं है. Okay, so correct answer is C. It makes the data into user understandable format. बाकी सब के सब जो है वो इनपुट यूनिट के काम है। ये बाहर से इंस्ट्रक्शन लेके सिस्टम को देता है, एंड इट कन्वर्ट्स द डाटा इनटू कंप्यूटर एक्सेप्टेबल फॉर्मेट एज वेल, एंड इट सप्लाइज द डाटा इन द कंप्यूटर फॉर फर्दर प्रोसेसिंग। और जो सी वाला जो ऑप्शंस है, इट मेक्स द डाटा इनटू यूजर अंडरस्टैंडेबल फॉर्मेट। ये जो काम है ये आपका आउटपुट यूनिट का है। ओके, so the input unit converts the data into computer understandable format, that is binary format, and not the user understandable format. See, it is the duty of the output unit to make the data into user understandable format. Okay. So next question is label the parts 1 and 2। ये जो डायग्राम दिया गया है इसमें नंबर 1 पे आपको एंड नंबर 2 पे आपको सही ऑप्शंस चूज करने हैं। सो योर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 1 नंबर पे ALU एंड सेकंड पे MU, मेमोरी यूनिट, अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट। ओके, नंबर बी ऑप्शन है आपका फर्स्ट नंबर पे आउटपुट यूनिट एंड सेकंड पे इनपुट यूनिट। थर्ड है मेमोरी यूनिट एंड अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज इनपुट यूनिट एंड आउटपुट यूनिट। कम ऑन, बहुत आसान सा सवाल है गाइस। सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट में क्या फर्स्ट नंबर पे आएगा और क्या सेकंड नंबर पे, मतलब कि यहां से इन और यहां से आउट। बहुत आसान सा सवाल है। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी। यहाँ से इनपुट यूनिट एंड यहाँ पे आउटपुट यूनिट। इनपुट यूनिट आपके सीपीयू को कमांड देगी और उसे आउटपुट यूनिट पे शो किया जाएगा। ओके, so this is the explanation. The above diagram is a simple explanation which describes how the instruction is given to the CPU, how it is processed, and how the result is obtained. So here the input unit is used to give instructions to the central processing unit, and the output unit is responsible for giving the result to the user. Okay guys, hope आपको ये मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.